welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful dream catcher. So let's get started. So I'm going to use one big hoop and two small bangles and cover it with lace or thread. I have already done it. So now if you want to be nice and perfect, you can trace on a paper and mark all the sides depending on how thick you need the web to be and how much space you need in between each loop, or you can just eyeball them. So now I'm going to use this white embroidery thread and I'm going to tie one end really nice and tight, and to start making the loops, go under the hoop and through it the space and make a loop. Make sure it's really nice and tight. Now go all the way around doing the exact same step. So once you reach the starting point, you can cut the thread to a length and thread it through a needle so it will be easier. So now you have to just do the exact same steps, like go through and under each loop and just pull it really nice and tight. So just go all the way around again. Now I'm going to add one round full of beads. You can add it in between each loop. So now I'm going to stop here so I can add the squirrel butterfly in the center. So I'm going to repeat the exact same step for the small one also. I'm going to go all the way to the middle. Actually, when you get to the center, it's a bit confusing, but that's okay if you mess up a little bit. So now the hard part is over and the fun part is here. So decorate with anything you like. So for the big hoop, I'm going to use some feathers and tie them together, and take a piece of thread and cut it into the length you want it to be, and then attach it. Now for this one I'm going to make some tassels. So cut a thick paper, length you want your tassels to be, wrap all the way around until how thick you want your tassels to be. So I did 70 rounds. Now after reaching a desired level, just cut it and then cut a small piece of thread and tie the top part really nice and tight. So now just take another piece of thread and wrap it around how length you need your neck to be. I made two of them and now just attach it with the thread. Now I'm going to place a little small mirror in the middle. So for this one, actually I'm going to use a pom-pom. There is a bunch of videos already on YouTube on how to make a pom-pom, so I'm going to do that also. So now attach all to the big hoop. thank you so much for watching. Hope you'll enjoy the video.